Hello everyone. Today I am so glad to get an opportunity to speak to today's youth on this International Youth Day. Youth is the reflection and energy of any society across the world. Today's youth is fortunate to have born in such a society where opportunities await for them. Information access has become so easy that availing to information from home is possible. It gives me immense pleasure when I look at these young men and women utilizing the opportunities and resources that are available for them. Here, I would like to congratulate the youth to have a focus and a vision for their future. I am seeing so many young men and women these days who understand how to go about in their career. Unlike the older days, when we used to think and seek for help and still wouldn't know what to do with our future. With this information and opportunities available, also comes a responsibility to use these information wisely. I hope that whatever information that you get on the internet or an open social media platform, you process it responsibly and use it wisely. Today, when I go back and talk to my younger self, there were so many things I should have done or I could have done, which I would love to share with you as a youth today. Well, with my younger self, I have been a very hardworking person who was totally focused on her career. Career is one of the most important things that is or should be the priority of your life today. But focusing on your career, do not leave your life behind. Your family, your friends, your health, everything should be in balance. Many times it is only late when we realize that what we could have done and how we should have done. And I'm glad that we are getting these kind of opportunities where you are able to hear the experiences of the people who have been through this phase. To all the youth, young men, young women, I would advise invest in your finances, but definitely invest in your relationships, invest in your health, and invest in happiness. Because come may what, money is important and I do not deny the fact. But money se zyada important. There are so many things that you would feel once you reach an age of 40 plus. Those are the times when you realize that your health requires attention. Those are the times when you realize that you have very few friends left in your life. And those are the times when you realize that you haven't spent enough time with your family and loved ones. Today, as an elder, I would advise you to be wise, invest in your relationships, happiness, finances, and live a balanced life. Young men, young women, today, you're getting equal opportunities in life. You will do wonderful. Whatever career path you might choose, never get disheartened. Life is not an easy sail. Trust me, there will be difficulties, there will be failures, and it is okay. It's all right. Everything is going to teach you new things and will make you a better person. Never get disheartened with your failures and never get overexcited with your success. Every single thing, a failure or a success, will be a teacher for you to become a mature and established human being in the society. Social responsibilities are something which anybody who's staying in the society should follow. I would like you to understand that people around you might need you. Be there for everyone, and trust me, in your time of needs, you will get immense support from the society. I would also like to bring up the emotional health of a youth or a young man or girl these days. We are taking so much pressure of life and we want to achieve so much so in so little time. You have to build relationships. You should understand that time will come when you will reach your dreams. And everything has a process. It'll take its own time. And I wish you should give some time to that. And you will definitely achieve your goal if you're focused towards it. कहते हैं करत करत अभ्यास के जड़ मत हो सुजान. So everything takes its own time. You have to keep practicing, you have to keep learning from your failures and moving ahead. Whenever you feel emotionally drained, you feel that you are low today, you are not doing well, you feel you are going towards depression, understand one thing. There are so many people around you who love you. There are so many people who are happy to just see you get up in the morning and smile at them. Understand that it is not the people you don't know who matters, who should matter. People who have been around you, who are happy with you being just there, are the people, the most important people in your life. So whenever you're emotionally low, go and talk to your parents, go and talk to your friends, speak to your siblings, and of course, have faith in God, because God has His own plan, and trust me, He has a better plan than what we do. Today on the International Youth Day, I would also like to say one thing, that take decisions. Don't fear of taking decisions. Your decisions might be wrong. It is all right. But not taking a decision is a bigger mistake than taking a wrong one. So I wish you a beautiful future ahead and a wonderful life ahead. Just have a balanced and a happy life and a prosperous life. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.